Stevenson pulled the chair and made Howard stumble.
James jump shot won't go. This is first miss. He was 5 for 5. Ryan looking to post up Wade. Pass goes right back to him. Way short. He's only got hit. He's yelling at Scott Boston.
Excellent defense by Wade. Not to let him get to his right shoulder.
Wade has it stripped. Nobody's happy right now. Early third quarter, all lead at 58. Third man gets overly aggressive. That's the second team foul on the Heat. Looks like you hit him on the wrist there.
Well, that's after the shot. That's a very difficult call. When the guy releases and your hands then meet, then it really have an impact on the shot.
Clark missed it. Fox the rebound.
But I agree. I think they should call that a foul for everybody.
Chalmers for 3. 11 points for Chalmers. 7-point turnaround here in this period. Lakers were up 4 early in the third. And a foul on Anderson. They're going to start to call it a little tighter, I believe.
And Mike, I think what Howard has to do if he wants to get open more is screen better. He's not screening. He's flipping out of every screen. In Orlando, I thought he was an outstanding screener. Plus, they had more shooting, and that's why I think he had more opportunity.
Blake. Exclusive Clark trying to go. Anderson rejects it. But the ball too far away. And Anderson was right there. Box shot misses. Bryant the rebound. So Clark was almost one of those highlight plays. They're doing the one for Anderson.
Again, Nash set the screen to get the matchup they want with Chalmers.
Bryant and foul. Beautiful move from Kobe Bryant. And a chance for a 3-point play.
It's been so efficient. When Nash is setting the screen and they get this switch, Bryant then can attack. The help is late. Now a 3-point play opportunity. Great body control by Kobe Bryant.
Anderson with 3 fouls. Ryan misses the free throw. Kobe Bryant, 34 years old, leads the NBA in total minutes played. Scoring at that high rate. 4 of the 5 starters in double figures now for the Heat. Good balance. Just over 5 minutes gone by here in the third. Nash trying to find an opening and got punked. Mario Chalmers, and they're in the penalty.
Well, again, the inverted pick and roll. Nash searches out Bryant's man, sets a good screen, gets Chalmers to switch. Now he goes into his back-end game. No help. Comes into the middle. The body control. Oh, what a camera angle that is. I can't speak highly enough of that camera angle, Mike. In the backboard, I love that.
It's beautiful. Makes you feel like you're sitting right there. So in the bonus with 6:43 remaining.
Look at that body control. The contortion. But if you're Miami on that,